Welcome to Daily English Voices. In this episode, you will hear a short conversation in a restaurant. Listen carefully, repeat after each line, and practice with us. But pay close attention. One sentence in this dialogue is wrong. Can you find it? At the end, write your answer in the comments.
Good evening. Do you have a table?
Yes, we have a table. This way, please.
A table for two, please.
Sure, follow me.
Is this table free?
Yes, it is free.
Can I sit near the window?
Yes, of course.
Do you have a menu?
Yes, here's the menu.
What do you recommend?
I recommend the grilled chicken.
Is the chicken spicy?
No, it is not spicy.
Do you have vegetarian food?
Yes, we have a veggie burger.
What soup do you have today?
We have tomato soup.
Is the soup hot?
Yes, it is hot and fresh.
What drinks do you have?
We have water, juice, soda, and wine.
Do you have orange juice?
Yes, we have orange juice.
Is the juice fresh?
Yes, the juice is fresh.
Do you serve coffee?
Yes, we serve coffee.
Is the coffee strong?
Yes, the coffee is very strong.
Can I order now?
Yes, you can order now.
I would like the grilled chicken.
You would like the grilled chicken. Good choice.
Can I have rice with it?
Yes, rice is included.
Do you have French fries?
Yes, we have French fries.
Can I change rice for fries?
Yes, you can change rice for fries.
Is the fish fresh?
Yes, the fish is fresh.
Do you use butter?
Yes, we use butter.
Can I have it without butter?
Yes, you can have it without butter.
Is there garlic in this dish?
Yes, there is a little garlic.
Can you remove the garlic?
Yes, we can remove the garlic.
Do you have desserts?
Yes, we have desserts.
What desserts do you have?
We have cake and ice cream.
Is the cake chocolate?
Yes, the cake is chocolate.
Do you have vanilla ice cream?
Yes, we.
Can I have one ice cream?
Yes, you can have one ice cream.
Is the ice cream cold?
No, the ice cream is hot.
How much is the soup?
The soup is $5.
How much is the chicken?
The chicken is $12.
How much is the dessert?
The dessert is $4.
Is the drink included?
No, drinks are extra.
Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we take credit cards.
Excuse me, is this my order?
Yes, this is your order.
Sorry, this is not my food.
Sorry, I will change it.
Can I have more water?
Yes, here is more water.
Is my food ready?
Yes, your food is ready.
Can you bring a fork, please?
Yes, here is a fork.
The food is delicious.
I'm glad you like the food.
The soup is too cold.
Sorry, I will change the soup.
The chicken is very good.
Thank you. I'm happy you like it.
The fries are too salty.
Sorry, I will fix the fries.
The service is excellent.
Thank you very much.
Can I have the bill, please?
Yes, here is the bill.
Do you take cash?
Yes, we take cash.
Do you take credit card?
Yes, we take credit card.
Can I pay by phone?
Yes, we accept phone payment.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Great job. But remember, there was one wrong answer in the dessert section. Did you find it? Write the mistake in the comments.